Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Thank you, Scorpio. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Scorpio, anong nangyayari sa inyong love relationship or romantic connection? Scorpio, what is happening? Okay. Yeah, Page of Wands. So Scorpio, you are excited about your future. Okay, maganda yung nangyayari sa inyo when it comes to your creative activities. Yeah, so meron kayong mga plans, exciting plans about your future. For some of you, you are also waiting for some communication from your person. The Hangman, walang masyadong nangyayari in the situation. Merong waiting, okay? Waiting. Or maybe this is a waiting game for some of you. Nine of Swords, merong mga sleepless nights or meron pa rin distraction sa inyo. Mentally, okay? Naiisip mo yung person. Or kung merong hindi magandang nangyari in your relationship or sa inyong sitwasyon, minsan or kadalasan naiisip mo. Okay, it's a distraction for you. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, you are doing well in your job. Sa work mo, you are independent, financially secured, okay, and established. Okay. Tingnan natin. Eight of Cups. Anong meron sa Eight of Cups? Please clarify. Scorpio. With your person. Bakit may Eight of Cups? Yeah. Yeah, so your person feels that you are moving on. Scorpio. Okay. It's like yung parang feeling niya is iniwanan mo na siya or ini-ignore mo na siya or pinapabayaan mo na siya and yeah, parang yeah, you are moving on. Okay? Bakit may High Priestess, Page of Wands? Yeah, your person is expecting for you to respond or to communicate with them. So iniisip din ng person mo na parang mayroong mga magagandang nangyayari about you. Okay, exciting things. Yeah, you are moving forward. Okay, you are reaching your goals, your ambition, your dreams. Okay. The Magician. Bakit the Magician? Anong meron sa Magician? Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, your person wants to take action. Parang gusto ng person mo na to work things out sa inyong relasyon. Okay. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, maybe your person is manifesting of going back to you. Okay. Yeah, I think your person knows that you are doing something good, something exciting, something promising. for you, okay? Towards the future. Okay. The Tower, tingnan natin. What is the Tower? The Tower. Bakit may the Tower? The Tower. Yeah, Page of Cups. Yeah, maybe your person baka mag-message or tumawag sa inyo, gusto makipag-usap sa inyo, heart-to-heart talk, okay? Maybe your person will be opening up with you to discuss something sa kanyang nararamdaman about sa inyong dalawa, okay? Bakit? Yes, about your future, about sa relasyon ninyo, 7 of Pentacles. Maybe your person wants to know kung meron pa bang pag-asa para sa kanya. Okay, gusto niyang makipagbalikan or gusto niyang bumalik. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Yeah. It's parang hindi mo to inasahan or it will just parang sudden lang to. Okay? Hindi mo na-expect. Yeah. Tingnan natin the Empress. Okay, you feel that your person is attractive. Okay. Maybe this person is your true love. Scorpio, meron kang malalim na affection or deep feelings with your person. Let's see, bakit the Empress? Oh, 3 of Swords. Okay, now, yeah. So, this person, they broke your heart. Okay. Merong sadness or disappointed ka sa tao na to. Scorpio. Okay. Then, 3 of Swords. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles, giving, yeah, maybe your person is dealing with 2 situations or 2 person, this, okay, and it is something na parang nasaktan ka, okay, yeah, your person is dealing with 2 situations or 2 people, okay. Your person is giving attention to another person and it is something na heartbreaking, of course, para sa inyo. Okay. Though you love this person, meron kang deep feelings towards him or her, but then again, they broke your heart. Okay, meron kang disappointment with that person. Ten of Cups. Bakit kaya may 10 of Cups? Ano to? Just take what resonates for you, Scorpio, and leave the rest. Kung hindi para sa inyo, leave it. Okay, 10 of Cups. Bakit may 10 of Cups? Yeah. So, parang nawala yung trust, okay, in your situation. There is some truth na lumabas. Maybe your person has a family, okay? Yeah. So, parang nasira yung trust in your relationship. Nasira yung trust ninyo sa kanya because this is in a challenge position. Okay? Justice, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Lovers. Okay. So, it's clear. Your person is dealing with another relationship. Okay. Maybe this one is a family. My children, my partner. Okay. Justice in a challenge position. something na hindi dapat, okay, para sa inyo, Scorpio. Yeah, so yun yung challenge, yun yung problema mo sa kanya. Okay. And that because of this, you will have to make a decision. You will have to make a choice. Okay. And you will be doing what is right for you. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Tingnan natin yung Page of Pentacles. Yeah, Three of Wands. Okay. Baka merong pagkikita ng mangyayari. Maybe this person wants to see you or you, Scorpio. Maybe you are planning to meet her or to meet him and talk about things tungkol sa nangyari about Three of Wands. Okay. Yeah, there will be a discussion or pag-uusap about ano tayo, something like that. What are we? Okay. Three of Wands. Oops. Yeah. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Talking about how to move forward. Maybe you will be giving a chance to this person. For some of you, Scorpio. Yeah. Or maybe this person wants to talk or wants to see you. Parang gusto kanya i-date, ilabas. Merong invitation for you. Okay. Para pag-usapan about commitment or about relationship, about connection ninyong dalawa, how to move forward. Okay. The Sun, tingnan natin. What is the Sun for Scorpio? Oh, again, the Sun. There will be a decision to be made in the situation. Magkakaroon ng clarity. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, a clarity is needed. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need to be enlightened about the situation. You are also hopeful or wanting to see this person. Okay? Merong desisyon na magaganap or mangyayari between sa inyong dalawa. Okay? About sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Tingnan natin sa The Sun. Bakit The Sun? Okay, Nine of Wands. Yeah. For some of you, Scorpio, you still believe in this relationship, okay? Maybe you want to continue in the relationship. After some enlightenment and clarification about the situation. Yeah. Scorpio, you want justice. Okay? Gusto mo na itama ng person mo yung wrong, yung mali na ginawa niya sa inyo. He or she needs to make a decision about sa inyong situation. And I think ito yun ang pag-uusapan kung bakit kailangan or merong pagkikita na mangyayari. Okay? How to move forward, paano ma-improve ang inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, hindi madali para sa inyo, Nine of Wands, ang situation. Okay? Pero magkakaroon ng clarification. For some of you, there will be forgiveness in the situation. Okay? Yeah. Or, based sa pag-uusapan nyo, you will be able to determine kung ano yung best course of action na gagawin mo regarding this person. But there will be happiness on your part. Yeah. Kasi merong bumalik or babalik or bumabalik or may action or may initiative from your person na bumalik. Okay? And expressing and how they wanted to keep the relationship or to continue. But still, you are hurt sa ginawa ng person na to. Okay? Merong third party, okay, giving attention to another person na parang na-hurt ka talaga ng sobra. 3 of Swords. Yeah. So the person feels that there is something good happening in you. You are excited about your future. Something that is na hindi pa na-reveal. Okay? But your person feels something about it. Okay? Scorpio. Okay. So, merong progress in the situation na mangyayari. Tingnan natin. Let's see ano yung mga hidden truths for Scorpio. Hidden truths from your person or from you. I want to feel that way again. You came closer than anyone. And I want you. Okay. I want you. Additional message for Scorpio. Oh. It is important right now to take a step back and spend some time alone. Instead of placing your focus on another, now is the time to give to yourself. Okay? So, Scorpio, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and I will see you on the next video. Bye!